Hey, this is JW from Jeep Monkey. Here's part 2 of the bumper. So here you see the bumper right here. So enjoy. Alright, so this is what I got. I was able to get this on. I left it loose because I want to make sure the bumper is adjusted on here. I noticed these little U-nuts right here are on the wrong way. They came packaged like that. Can you see it? Yeah, it came packaged like this, but the old ones, the screw part was on the other side. Otherwise, we wouldn't be able to get to that bolt. And then on this, I totally stripped this out. I'm not too concerned with that. I pretty much wasted my time on it. I should have just left it in there. This bumper doesn't hold that much weight, so I'm not too concerned. And if somebody runs into me, it's gonna be more in than out, but it is what it is. Alright, so let me get these things flipped and then see about getting this bumper started on here. Alright, got it on. So I didn't put this in, I still got it. It's like a little plastic covering. Didn't quite put it on yet just because really I'll be taking it off anyways soon to start the painting process. The spray on bed liner that I chose for this, and color is still to come, by the way. I haven't forgot about it. I just want to make sure it's the right time so when I start doing it. But yeah, this is the bumper. Still missing the bolt here, and then I have underneath the bolts. Like I had to use the U-nut for this part because the two that I have for it are pretty much done for. I mean, they can still be used, but they're all rusty, and I'll just get some new ones for it. So there you have it. So hit like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff.